In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question on Udemy. Navigating online platforms like Udemy can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're trying to get answers to specific questions. Whether you're a student needing clarification on a course or just curious about how to find the right resources, Udemy has made it relatively simple to get in touch with the right support channels. So let's dive in and break down each step to ensure you get the help you need. First, you'll want to head over to your Udemy dashboard. This is your main hub on the platform where you can see your courses and other resources. Once there, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, even if it's a bit out of immediate sight, you'll find the Contact Us option. Click on this link. It's your gateway to getting assistance directly related to your queries. After clicking Contact Us, your next move is to locate the highlighted Help and Support section. This is crucial because it directs you to a page specifically designed to handle questions and provide assistance. Make sure you actually click on it, as this will open up a wealth of information and options catered to your needs. Now, once you land on the Help and Support page, you might be pleasantly surprised to find that the question you have in mind has already been answered under the Frequently Asked Questions section. These are common queries from other users just like you, and there's a high chance your question might just be one of those. So take a moment to glance through this section. If you find the answer there, that's fantastic. It saves you time and gets you back to focusing on your course. However, if your inquiry is more specific and not covered by the FAQs, don't worry. There's another step you can take. Look for the search box located on the page. This is where you can attempt to type in your question. It's designed to recognize keywords and direct you to the most relevant information available on the platform. Remember, the support system is there to help you efficiently and effectively navigate any issues you may encounter. Using these tools not only empowers you to find solutions faster, but also enhances your overall experience on Udemy. Plus, learning how to efficiently navigate support systems is a skill that serves you well across various online platforms. Thank you for sticking around and following these steps with me today. I hope this guide helps you successfully ask any question you might have on Udemy. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions or suggestions for other topics you'd like covered. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.